Acknowledge. The joy is all over. The joy is everywhere. We are going to win from our heart. Oh, Ghana, the security is in our hand. And this
Ejebo enya bedru IGP Dampare Mahama enya fire no I appointing new IGP for Ghana. Now we no Ghana police for abe making omo reactions on that. Kevin Echo Bedu Taylor so abe making reactions on this particular incident. Aha Penyah Block Media. Mess Ross any demo. Obe like a video no that my over subscribe button so click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better the wide me area mame ewo comment section. Oba so anu share video na ma unia so enya bi ahwe. Enti George Akufu Dampare, His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo any appointed no as IGP for Ghana.
Thank you. Right, okay. I did a short time, sorry. Sister, you don't want to see you. You have a cousin. You don't want to see. You don't want to see. I'm going to
and this man ever survey for 8 years or born a Juma. Now IGP AOB is not Ghana for no any Jordan which is okay, even if there's a change in government, the president should maintain him. If we say what boy you just said there be Mahama, if there's a change in government, Mahama should fire him. And then at the other. And back in the history of Ghana, I think that Akufu Dampare and the first Ghana IGP, I just said he was so down to the earth to the point say, oh, it's me crack with that traffic, more air directed traffic. He gave a selfless service to this particular country, and the participation to this country building immeasurably massive. Udru Usua police headquarters, in fact, said they will see a FFP light, a war, a one so neat. There's an improvement so about police under his watch as IGP. Yes, street cameras, the CCTV cameras, so check bia. There's a wabɔ adwuma bɛma bɛyɛ bi wa meni nyina America say 5th December 2024 abra Ghana yɛde political party rallies ɛkɔ area no they won say IGP ɔbɔ police for naba so ɛwɔ adwuma so a ɔma for ensuring peace and security during these various campaigns now political parties nyina ɛyɛ
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's IGP just said the love for him by the people no, it grew every now and then. And I'm for Bibiano Zumi said, even if there's a change in government, Krana, we should maintain this IGP. Now, oh yeah, very beautiful token for Ghana. But now I'm for just said there be if there is a change in government, Mahama should fire him because he doesn't deserve that position as IGP, Office of the President. Issue communique IGP Dampare Yasakino. Let's read it. Title near President Mahama appoint COP Yohunu as Inspector General of Police. President John Dramani Mahama has, in accordance with Article 99 and 202 of the 1992 Constitution, and in consultation with the Council of State, appointed Commissioner of Police COP Christian Tete Yohunu as the Inspector General of Police. He replaces COP Dr. George Akufu Dampare. COP Yohunu brings 40 years of experience to the position of IGP and is expected to oversee the modernization and transformation of the Ghana Police Service. Signed, Felix Kwache Ofusu, MP, spokesperson to the President, Minister, Government Communications. What I say, let's say, Office of the President, issue communicate, and say IGP Dampare, Yasak near the new IGP Anab Christian Tete Yohunu, and I then abbreviate IGP Dampare. I'm for no, it's a media and say the Enona air trend. I just say Mahama SK IGP Dampare, the police for any air bossy.
The joy is all over. The joy is everywhere. We are going to win from our heart. Ghana, the security is in our hand, and this is what we have been ending and praying for. We thank God. We thank God for that. For listening to our President Mahama. God bless you. We have really listened to our prayers. Hey, freedom forever. Freedom forever. You can see the jubilant. Everybody's jubilant. Hey, police. You have a jubilant from everywhere. Everybody's happy. Oh, at long last. At long last. At long last.
Now, baby. The Indian police will boss now. IGP buy and already no see there be. And is a police for the judge in a crown. A crown was saying checking near my amount for applicant almost driving licenses near the Adino. A immigration for you man. It's down Paris police for you never crown. Am I for police for new dry? Nina 5 cities. Nina 5 cities here. aban enya bi nyenti is room 556 na adwuma na bo mu eno so na think say at the end of the day no omode ebo ba akon ma de twentwen kwase ampena police means en kwase ampena mko hye ba kwase ansa police need to me buru say sram ensa ejida Dampare yo mu free kwan say o ma dwa lie police for na dwa lie I think say ni nyina kan on esi an there for once I think say we are band there police for be say be gu kwan no ho asa be bokro no 55 series be aba be to amanfu botu am be jeje do money Aje. This is the issue of IGP Dampare being sacked, being removed from office, and replaced by COP Tete Christian Yehuda as the new IGP for Ghana. What is your take on this? Share in the comment section. I have Penyah Media.